The technology inside the ThryvOn, I like that it gives you a peace of mind when you plant your cotton, that the thrips are going to stay off and it has some resistance to plant bugs.
And I think the peace of mind piece comes into play on a normal year where they can get out there and, you know, maybe they're ready to start spraying and they're jumping, and Matt's going to go to the beach for the weekend, and Scout comes in and says, hey, you got plant bugs out there, you need to spray. Now all of a sudden,
I'll spray it on Monday.
You just spray it on Monday, right? If it's ThryvOn, he can buy it. He might have some flexibility there to get out there and spray it. You know, that kind of don't interfere with his beach plans, right, Mac?
I don't know if that's something I want to admit, but yeah.
I was scouting for plant bugs, and they came in behind my Scout. They took all the squares and all the fruit, all the squares, everything off the plant. The ThryvOn right beside it still had all this fruit on it.
ThryvOn cotton has improved our farming, like for looking after pests, because we don't have to worry about thrips as much, and then also it gives us a little peace of mind knowing that we have protection from plant bugs that if they come and the pressure's there, we have a little bit more of a lead time on getting onto the cotton to spray for them.
Using the ThryvOn technology allows me to get other things done around the farm, such as working on equipment, working on grain combines, peanut combines, getting ready for early part of the fall.
In our non-ThryvOn cotton, we usually make 4 or 5 applications of an insecticide a year. In ThryvOn, it at least cuts down 1 or 2 sprays. And I mean, it allows us to work on our pickers, work on our tractors, and just make sure, like I said, it just gives us so much, a little more flexibility on the timing of everything.
So how many times have you sprayed?
Twice.
Twice for plant bugs, all right? So you sprayed on the cotton 2 times. Have you heard any of your neighbors talking about what they've had to spray?
Some of them were spraying 3 times. So basically it's cutting down the spray.
Got to spray, all right.
Plant bugs come and go, and I think in my experience that they will come in behind you sometimes after you've scouted, and that's where I think that the ThryvOn shines, and it gives you that peace of mind that that the plant is still holding on to its fruit. It's not foolproof, but it is a tool in the tool bag that you need to use.